Hi Scorpios, welcome back. So, this is going to be your reading for the next 24 hours. So, we'll be picking cards for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. So, these cards are for your general energy, Scorpios. This card is for your relationship, and this for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Scorpios, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So, Scorpios, let's start with the cards for your general energies first. So, today we have Two of Cups in reverse, Devil in reverse, and Knight of Cups in reverse. So, in your circumstances, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you need clarity in some situation. Maybe you're thinking about something important. You want to make a decision today, maybe in your work, or it may be a decision about this connection, about this relationship. So, you want to make the right choice, you want to think with clarity, you want to make the right decision today. But there is a lot of confusion you are seeing in your circumstances. Such situation is not clear. You may feel that maybe in this love with this person you have a lot of confusion, doubts. Maybe you feel that this is the love for you, but this person's intentions are not clear. Maybe for some of you, you don't know what they are thinking or planning for this love, for the future of this love, and what are their intentions, because they are not telling you everything. They are not telling you what they are thinking. Maybe sometimes they are good, but sometimes they are not so open, or they are not so freely speaking about their thoughts or about their wishes and plans. So there is some lack of clarity, and you may feel stuck. You may feel that you don't know what will be the right thing, or you don't know how things will work out. So, a lot of blankness or blindness about this future, about your love. So, you lack clarity. But this card here, this Two of Cups, is a very positive card here, guys, though it is in reverse. It is helping you, it is pointing you that something will work, something will happen that will bring a beautiful understanding in this love. Though you may feel a lack of clarity, a lot of misunderstandings may be there in your relationship, things will begin to fall into place. That is what I feel with these cards. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. It's Nine of Wands. So there is a lot of difficulty you are facing in this love, Scorpios. You are doing your best. You are trying your best. You want a beautiful relationship with this person. That is the reason you are going out of the way, doing things you need to do today, trying hard, trying even more harder for this love. But situation may resolve for some of you. With Two of Cups, I feel that you are moving towards a better place in this relationship. Maybe whatever stressful circumstances you are facing, everything is going to change. This may be the time you should not make any important decisions. This is the time for you to Just breathe, relax, and see where things are going. See where this situation is taking you. You need to trust the flow. So maybe if this relationship is meant to work, you must what to say you must not try to shape this love maybe according to your wishes or according to your expectations. This relationship will flow maybe with your intentions, guided by your intentions and guided by this person's intentions. So, wherever circumstances are unfolding, you should wait. This is not the time for you to make any definitive decisions, concrete decisions. That is not going to help you. So, this is the time for you to wait, trust the flow, see where universe is guiding you. But I feel if we trust the universe, have that faith that everything good will come to us, things are going to fall into place, guys. No matter what difficulties we are in, when we have that faith and trust in that higher spirit, things are going to fall into place. That is what I feel for your relationship with these cards, Scorpios. So let us see what is the card for your career situation. We picked one card and it is Nine of Pentacles. So will this card in your work circumstances? Maybe there are certain things that are going to make you very happy. Things are falling into place. Maybe whatever delays or suspensions you saw in your work, everything is changing. Today you are seeing better opportunities, some good changes, something that is going to make you very happy, something that is going to take you towards a greater potential to achieve your goals and dreams in your career. Things are falling into place. So, whatever troubles you saw in your career is resolving, and you have clarity, you have a better understanding, and you are going to have that sense of satisfaction, peace, and happiness in your work circumstances because situation is good. Circumstances are changing. No matter what difficulties you faced, everything is changing for you today, Scorpios. So that is the energy here with these cards. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, Scorpios. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.